In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Tradovate account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Tradovate like you usually would inside of your favorite browser. And from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll be able to read along what Tradovate is. But to create an account, you simply need to go up here to open an account up here in the right hand corner. And from here, it should bring something like this where you can sign up using your Google ID, your Apple ID, or sign up with your email address by clicking right here. And then from here, you'll need to click sign up. From here, it should bring something like this where you can enter in your first name, your last name, and your email address. And from here, you can also click on I've read and agreed to the terms and conditions and end user's license agreement. And from here, you'll simply need to click create user. And from here, it should look something like this where you can see you can get started with a live trading account with unlimited simulated trading included, no deposit minimum requirement, and a free platform access included, where you can click open an account. But if you only want to open up a demo account, you can click here by clicking not ready for live trading, try risk-free simulated trading instead. But from here, you'll simply need to click open account. And from here, you'll need to start live trading. From here, you can choose between the individual account, a joint account, an IRA account, a corporate account, LLC account, partnership, or trust account. From here, you'll need to choose the one that is most suitable for you and click start application. Once you do that, you'll need to click what's your name, where I can select your name and last name by clicking here, and you'll need to be aware that it should add up to your licensed government ID, and then from here you'll need to click continue. Once you're in here, you'll see welcome, your name, and it will ask you where you live, your street address, apartment, suite, or etc., city, state, zip code, and your primary cell phone number. You can also click here to add a mailing address if you do not have a phone number, and here you can add in your email address. From here, you'll simply need to click continue, and from here you'll need to verify your identity by adding in your date of birth and your citizenship, where you can choose all of these countries down here, but I'm from Denmark here, so I'm going to choose that. From here, it'll ask you if you're a US taxpayer, and you'll just say no. And then you'll add in your social security number and whether or not you have a passport for this specific country. From here, you'll need to click continue to open up the next step in the application. From here, you will be asked a bunch of different questions about your trading experience and what type of trading that you will like inside of Tradovate. You'll just need to answer them truthfully, and then from here you can send in the application, and then in a couple of minutes you'll be accepted or not accepted into Tradovate, where you can use the dashboard and start trading with your live account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!